Hello my friends and welcome back to another video. So a few months ago, I'm not exaggerating, I thought it would be such a great idea to just go on eBay and just order a whole bunch of stuff that I do not need at all and open it on camera. And the thing is, that seemed like such a great idea, but as you may know, some eBay shipping takes a very long time, and so I was waiting for all of it to arrive so I could open all of it on camera. And then by the time all of it had arrived, I had just moved house and uni had gone back and I was in stress mode and assignment mode and exam mode, and recently I just finished exams and I thought, hey, I've got this bag full of packages that I haven't opened and I genuinely don't even remember what I ordered, besides from the fact that they were all really stupid and unnecessary and I didn't need any of them. But I thought, you know what? Let's still film this video. I'm still really excited and it almost makes it a little bit more fun because I don't remember what I ordered. So behind me, I've just laid out all of the packages that I have. There's probably like, how many? 14 packages that I have no idea what is in. I'm a little bit confused at myself. Now thinking back to what I did order, I remember that I don't think I ordered anything over even like $4 or $5. Like everything was very inexpensive. So don't think this is going to be like a crazy, really exciting haul. Like this is just a bunch of really random like $1, $2, $3 things that I ordered and wanted to show you guys. The first thing is the only thing that I have already opened. This was already opened because when it arrived at my house, when I was living at my other house like 3 months ago, my dad opened it because he thought it was something that he had ordered, and a lot of these don't necessarily have my name printed on the front of them, so he didn't know that it was for me. But he ordered it and he was like, is this yours? Because I didn't order this. And I was like, that's mine. You guys can't really see, but it's a mini ice tray. It's just a silicone mini ice tray, so it makes ice but like in really little cubes. And I thought this would be a great idea because I always want to put ice in my water bottles in summer, but the ice is too big to fit through the mouth of the water bottle. So with mini ice cubes, you can put them in your water bottle, and if that's not a genius idea, I don't know what is. And if that doesn't set up this video for the type of things that I'm gonna open, I don't know what will. Oh, I don't know why I ordered this. This is a little silicone keyboard protector. It's just clear. I just got the clear one. This looks like it's gonna do absolutely nothing. It's paper thin, probably cost me 99 cents, I'm assuming. And it just like sits on top of your keyboard so that it doesn't get like dust and stuff in between, or if you spill anything on your keyboard, you can just like take this off and wipe it down or whatever. And it's just a lot easier. So I guess I'll put this on my keyboard and see how it goes. So exciting. Wow, Rachel, you're just living the high life. I just ordered the most stupid, unnecessary things I've ever seen in my entire life. This is a stencil for circles. If you guys don't know, I have a bullet journal, and sometimes I need to draw circles in my bullet journal. So I thought, you know what? Why don't I order a stencil so that I can draw circles in my bullet journal? It's literally a piece of plastic with circle holes in it. How much did I pay for this? I don't know. I'm like not excited by anything so far. Ow. What is this? Oh my gosh, you're kidding. This is a watercolor pen. I used to use these all the time in art class when I was in grade 12. And basically you fill one half of it with water and then you use the brush tip in the watercolor, so you don't have to keep dipping your brush in water when you're using water paint, because I like arts and crafts and things. But this is tiny. Do you see this? You fill this little part with water. The ones I used at school were much larger than this. It doesn't even fit. It doesn't even twist on. This is, they're usually like this long, a normal pen size. This is tiny. Absolutely tiny. I'm so like mad at what I spent money on. This one has bubble wrap on it. It must be fancy. Oh my gosh, I'm excited about this. I've seen so many people wear these and use these. They're these hair ties. They're these hair ties that are just like this, you know what I mean? And you wear them in your hair as hair ties. And I guess they just don't pull on your hair as much and don't give you the kinks that these types of hair ties do. Moving on. Apparently I ordered 2 packets really do that? I don't remember that. Let's open this little blue package we have here. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I really wanted a pop socket, but I don't want to pay $15 for a pop socket. And I found this one, which is like a knockoff pop socket. It has llamas on it. Llamas. And it was like a couple dollars. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get it. It has little llamas on it. I think my mum would be really proud of me right now for spending my hard-earned money on a llama pop socket. I think I might have ordered 2 pop sockets, but I don't remember. The next thing we have here, oh, a pair of sunglasses. These are a pair of circle sunglasses. I definitely think they're way too big for my face and they're gonna make me look like a bug, but let's just confirm the theory. What do you know? I look like a bug. They don't even slightly look cool. I think if they were like a lot smaller, then like maybe they would work, but my face is really small. I have a pea head and these just don't work for me. Next item, another pair of sunglasses apparently. Wow, I must have been really confident in myself because I don't look good in any pair of sunglasses that I've ever tried on in my entire life. These ones are like that typical Ray-Ban kind of style. Oh, I hope these look good on me. Oh, they don't look terrible. Okay, never mind. They don't look as bad as the bugs, but definitely could look better if you didn't have a pea head, you know? I just need to accept the fact that I don't look good in sunglasses, that I am not cool, and I should stop trying to be cool. So let's put those aside and move on. This one is a really, I think I know what this one is. If it's what I think it is, I'm so excited. Yes, it is. It is. It is, folks. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a perfect example of not to buy things on the internet. For those of you who don't know, I am an avid fiddler. I can't sit still. Whatever I have that I can fit in my hand, I will fiddle with it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna continue being a 12-year-old and I'm going to buy a fidget cube. So I went online on eBay and I bought a fidget cube. And now, as you can see, I've just received that fidget cube and let's just say, didn't think it would be this big. This is literally the size of my thumb. I thought this would be really good to have in my hand when I went into classes and things because no one would be able to see it in my hand because it's so small, but I could still fiddle with something. So I'm not distracting anyone else, but I'm keeping myself focused. But honestly, because it's smaller, maybe that will work better. Just didn't think it would be this tiny, but that's okay. This is one of the larger packets. Oh, just in case one circle stencil wasn't enough, I bought a second one, which also has cracked in the middle, so it's broken. So this is what it looks like. It has a whole bunch of different sized circles on it, so I can draw circles in my bullet journal. I'm sure I'll get use out of it. It's just like, why did I purchase this? I could have just drawn a circle. Guys, we only have a few packages left. Oh, this is something that I might actually use. For those of you who don't know, these are not my real eyelashes. I was not genetically blessed with beautiful eyelashes, so I do like a great pair of falsies. And so I bought this little contraption, which I'm sure a lot of people already own, but it's just like a little pair of tweezers, but it's specifically for eyelashes to like help you put them on your eye. So I'm gonna try this out, and that's definitely not a regrettable purchase. So very excited to try this out and see how it goes. Very excited about it. Second last package. I got another pop socket. Like I said, another pop socket. I think this one's just like a light pink. And then the last package that I have, I'm very confused about because it is very large. But let's open her up. This is very interesting. I'll tell you about this story after I open it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think this was gonna come. This is so cute. I mean, I'll probably have to iron it or something. But it's this little flag that says be kind on it. So it comes with a little, they sent me a piece of string that I can tie on myself and and hang it up, but it just says be kind, because if you guys don't know, like the quote that I have like on my Instagram and on my YouTube banner is work hard, be kind, love God. And so I thought this was so incredibly cute and just like would be really nice to hang up. But interesting story time about this is that this was on eBay for like $4 or something ridiculous, like very, very inexpensive. And so I ordered it, and then the seller emailed me and they were basically like, oh, actually we're not gonna send you this unless you pay like $30. And I was kind of like, well, no, you advertised it for $4, so I'm gonna pay $4. And they were like, well, we're not gonna send it to you unless you pay us an extra $30. And I just like didn't respond, because I was like, well, I'm not gonna pay you $30 for a tiny little flag. The whole reason I got it was because it was $4. So I just never emailed them back, and they sent it to me anyway. So that was just kind of, I guess, a scam. I guess they just wanted me to send them more money than they asked for. But I got my flag, so who's the real winner this time? I win. But I think that's everything. I think that's all the things that I ordered. That was actually such a fun video to film. I really like shopping, and shopping on eBay for things that cost like $1 or $2 is honestly very, very fun. So if you guys want to see a part 2 to this video, let me know, because some of these things I'm just like, why did I buy them? Some of them I'm like, this did not look like what it looked like on the internet, and some of them I'm just very happy with. So if you want to see a part 2, let me know. If you enjoyed this one, let me know. Definitely subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. But other than that, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.